Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my fall home tour for 2024. In today's video, I'm going to start outside and we're going to take a tour of all of the spaces I have decorated for fall for this year. I'm going to just give a brief description of each space as we come to it, but otherwise I'm going to let some gentle acoustic music play so you guys can really enjoy all of these final looks at my fall decor for 2024. The first space we're looking at is my fall front porch. I will have a playlist linked with all of my fall decorating videos, so you guys can check those out if you want to see the in-depth processes of decorating these spaces. But my front porch, I just love decorating it for every season, and I kept it pretty simple, but we did use a mum and some pumpkins from our local garden center, and just using pieces that I already had on hand to create a simple, like classic farmhouse fall look. Coming into our house, the first room that you will come into is our small entryway and our living room area. This space I really like to do, I carry the farmhouse look throughout the entire home, but in the living room I like to add in a lot of black touches and kind of go for a little bit more of a modern farmhouse feel in this entire entryway and living room area. master bedroom is actually right off of our entryway and living room area. It takes up one end of the house while the other bedrooms take up the other end of the house. But here in our bedroom, I really like to use a unique color palette. This year I went with navy blue, some soft green and white, but then added in some rich brown and bronze tones, really cozy textures and everything to kind of give it almost has like an academic feel to it, but it's very cozy. And I love having this space decorated for fall so you can see it from our living area. Also decided to add just a few touches here in our master bathroom. We have some shelves here in the tub area, and I added just a few touches in because taking baths is one of my favorite things, one of my favorite ways to relax, and I really enjoy the seasonal touches in here. When you come out of our master bedroom and turn to the right, you will see our dining area as well as our kitchen. It is kind of a great room combined with our living room, but there is one wall separating the living room and kitchen. In this space, I like to carry over the traditional fall color scheme from the living room, but instead of focusing more on black, I added in a lot of warm, rich brown tones and some burnt oranges. You'll see that carried throughout. And then I also like to display a lot of my vintage pieces and vintage pottery pieces here throughout the kitchen. The last space we have to tour in today's video is our basement family room. This is a very informal space for our family. We watch movies down here sometimes. It has, our video game systems. We keep some of Grant's larger toys down here. We have musical instruments down here. But I do love decorating this space and kind of keep it more light and fun. I use my seasonal villages down here, as you're about to see. So I love how this space turned out. It's just classic and nostalgic and cozy. Okay, my friends, that is going to wrap up today's fall home tour for 2024. I hope you really enjoyed all of these final looks at my decorating. Be sure to go back and watch the individual videos if you'd like to see the process of decorating each space. If you haven't subscribed already, I hope you will consider doing so. At Kindly Katey, I do lots and lots of seasonal decorating videos, and I would love to have you guys join me here. But I will see you next week, and we are going to start some Halloween decorating. Bye, guys!